LAN party time. Got the truck loaded up. And got my chair, got a bunch of tables, got all the LAN party gear right there. We're gonna be going to a new place to do this LAN party. It's gonna be pretty good, I think. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Trying some stuff out with the camera here as well. I got a new circular polarizer combo with an ND filter, so I mean, if that doesn't mean anything to you, all good. But either way, it's time to party with some friends. Yeah. Don't worry, got my mask.
Oh, come on. You want to solo ult me? No!
We're going to be doing a giveaway at this LAN party as well. We haven't done one of those in the LAN parties in a bit. So we have all these Overwatch things that are going to be raffled off. And what do we got here? Spin to win. Let me adjust this so you can see it.
Oh my.
We got the names on the spinner and we're about to hit it.
They could just pick from.
Oh, okay, we're going to go for picking. And it lands on Brandon. Ooh. Your choice. Wait for that.
Wait, you got to get the balls.
Get the balls.
Absolutely no shame.
Diva gun.
Pink's just my color too.
Nice. Too nice.
Your brother.
My brother, I will pick for him. So my brother was here earlier. He's not here right now, but I will pick his gift for him. I think he's gonna go. He would like this one. There we go. The what is this? This is the Tracer and the McCree.
Kyle.
A little tracer gun.
Nice Tracer gun.
There you go.
That's me. That's me again. Well, I think I'm gonna go with the Genji Hanzo.
Andrew.
Bear. There you go. Oh.
Jocelyn.
Yeah, which gun do you want? The Torbjorn gun or the Diva gun?
Pick the Diva one.
Okay. Then Jay gets the Torby card.
There we go. Torbjorn gun. Jay. Well, I guess that's it. I ended up going back to pick up and clean up and do all that stuff on the second day because, well, I was getting tired and I decided to go home. But went over there, helped clean up, got all the stuff back, and now, as you can see, back in my truck, there's all the stuff. So decided to go ahead and unload, get everything packed back up, and then, well, until the next LAN party, until next time. Hopefully you guys like this video. Just a little look at the LAN party. Might be shorter than most just because shooting solo and getting footage and helping set up and helping run things takes a lot. Coordinating LAN parties is not as easy as it might sound. Inviting all your friends over and getting computer gaming, all the gaming action and stuff going, that sounds easy, but actually getting it all together, getting everybody there, coordinating, making sure everything's up to date, everybody's on the same page, a little bit different of an experience, but always good. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Yeah, also streaming Twitch every Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific, so feel free to give us a follow over there and catch us live and let's talk. Anyways, we'll see you in the next video or next stream on Twitch or something. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye. Look, Thor's flying through the sky. He just flew over the arena.
Hell yeah, get a shot.
It was on stream. Look up right now.